Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 17. So today, as always, we're going to take a look at the chart. We reached our target from yesterday, so I came up with a new target and we're going to take a look at that. But before we do that, I'll take a quick look at my disclaimer so that I can show it to you and that you are aware of the risk of trading. And if you want to reach out to me, click on service. The link to my webpage is in the description, and I offer one-on-one coaching and I have a 60% discount now. So in case you want to talk about investing, swing trading or day trading, you always can reach out to me and I'll help you out with any problem you can face regarding your trading. And now let's take a look at the chart. So we start with the 3-hour chart. And as you can see, we have reached our target from yesterday. That was our target. We have reached it. And now that's next fib level. And the next fib level is at, so we reached our target of 49,896. And the next fib level is at 51,986. And the new target I came up is wave 3 equals 2,618 of wave 1. So this is wave 1. From here to here, you have wave 1. And wave 3 from here to here equals 2.618. That's also a fib level. And that's our next target. So I think it will be reached and we should go up to 55,375 for wave 3. And then we expect a correction of wave 4 that should stay higher than wave 1, this level. But for now, we are looking out for our wave 3. And once we get that, we take a look at the correction. So that's my outlook. As you can see, we are fully bullish. Elliott wave is fully bullish, and even Fisher is bullish. So everything looks fine for us to go higher. And if I take a look at the 5-minute chart, so let's zoom out just fast so you can see. I can manage to zoom out. So here was the bottom at that level. And we started the impulse wave up, as you already know. And this impulse wave is quite big, but everything is subdividing in 1 and 2s. So you get 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you get 3, 4, 3, 4. And now the last move started here. And the correction ended here. The first correction of wave 4 ended here. And then you get wave 5 of 3 and the correction of wave 4. And now we start a new impulse wave with the first wave here, and we are again subdividing. So again, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Then you get 3, 4, 5. And here you get now the 3 and the 4. So that's the 3 relating to this wave in the 4. And afterwards, I'm expecting 5. And I did put this target here, but it's not so relevant. It's just the extension, the 1.681, the golden ratio extension, this level. Well, it's just wave 1, and I extended it to 1.681. That's that extension, but it's not so relevant as a level, just the target that we will hit. And then I'm expecting wave 4 correction. Wave 4 should stay higher than wave 1, and then wave 5. So yeah, accomplishing wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the 5-minute chart. So everything still looks still bullish, and I'm expecting higher prices. And I think that we can reach our level at 55,537. 55,375. I think we can reach that level and then go higher. So it is, as you can see, it's wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 higher. So I'm expecting that to play out. But for now, our focus is on wave 3 and that FIB level, the 2.618. And I'm not sure that I said it right, but that is the 1.618 level of the extension. This one is the 2.618. They're all FIB levels. And well, we'll see if we can make it. It should take us still 1 or 2 days to go up there. And also I did some channeling. So I took wave 2, the bottom of wave 2 and the bottom of wave 4, and I draw a line, and then I draw a parallel line to wave 1, not wave 3, because wave 3 is vertical. Wave 3 is vertical, you start with wave 1. So I took a line here, and then took a parallel line and let it go through wave 1. Actually, now that I look at it, I see that it's not perfect. Let's correct it. Because the wave 1 that I'm talking about is this one. Since this is 1, 2. Well, it's not perfect. I don't like it too much because it's too narrow. Anyways, the tunneling is not something that helped too much. I liked it more before. Let's say we go through wave 3 and that it was not too vertical, then we get this target. I like it a little more. So we could reach wave 3 here. So now I put wave 1, 2, and I went to the top of wave 3. And then we get that target. That looks, it looks passable. It looks okay, all right. Anyways, in the channeling, I don't find them too relevant. It helps, sometimes it helps, but most of the times when I tried it, it was not perfect for the target of wave 5, but that's what you do. So let's do it and see what happens. It's still helpful because it gives you a channel And it shows you that the price should stay between that channel and reach the top where you get your next FIB level and where the channel hits the FIB level. So anyways, let's keep it. It doesn't work 100% of the time, but it's somehow relevant. So let's keep it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for one more update. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification level because it's time-sensitive information. And if you want to trade along my side or to do the opposite because you think I'm wrong, then you need to get my videos as soon as they're out. So subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.